Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background and creating a non-destructive workspace. This protects pixels while letting you see changes. Next, add a new layer set to soft light and fill it with 50% gray so you can dodge and burn without altering originals. Choose the dodge tool, set range to midtones and exposure to about 1020 because low exposure builds control. Once done, lightly paint over bright highlights to reduce shine. You are shaping brightness, not repainting skin. Once the basic dodge and burn is in place, use frequency separation to separate texture from tone. This lets you smooth specular highlights without losing pores. Create low and high layers, blur low just enough to remove shine shapes but keep skin color transitions, and sample with the clone stamp at 20-30% opacity to nudge bright patches. Then switch to the high layer and use a small soft brush, 1/2 to 3 pixels, to subtly clone or heal texture so the result reads natural. Finish by dialing layer opacities so the correction sits naturally in the image. Usually 60-90% for the dodge/burn layer, and small tweaks on the low layer achieve balance. Add a soft mask, and if needed, apply a tiny Gaussian blur of about 0.5 to 1 px on the mask to remove hard edges. If you see halos or texture mismatch, reduce the effect, lower brush opacity, or switch to the spot healing tool on the high layer. This resolves artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.